What's up, everybody? I picked up probably my last order for this year. Maybe pick up one more, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and get started. Picked up another case of the Ghostbuster 2.0s. Really good shells there. Got another Demon Knight. Nice cake. Got two of the Patriotic Daylights. Daytime colors salute cake. Down here we got Assorted Celebration cake. It's a 4-1 138 shot. And then we got a Happy Boom Assorted Celebration. It's another 4-1 138 shot. We got two 100-shot Sky Battles. Those were pretty cheap, still really nice cakes. We got it's a 2-1 Dragon Slayer, 82 shots, really heavy. We got 4-1 Stargazing, this one 100 shot, all color. I got Strident, it's a 4-1 100 shot, all salute. About pretty much the same as Stargazing, just salutes. And then I picked up another Trippy and another work. Got a 4-1 All You Need Diesel Haze Dreamin' Kush. That's a rewrap on the Balrog, Halen, Zeppelin, all them. An 18-1 Gone Fishing. A 2-1 Collision. Really nice bores on those. Got a Ghost. Got King of Flames. Alan Massey. Fight of Death. Panic Attack, which is a Dose rewrap. And then the last thing is another case of Samurai Shells.